were one of the butterflies, and then once upon a time they were flying and jumping together. Suddenly it was raining all ahead, and then the butterfly said, I have a friend, Pinky Flower. So they flied, but they saw there was only one big butterfly. I will allow only a pink butterfly, but not the Reddy the red and Bluey the blue. So the pink butterfly said, no, only my friends in trouble. So they left, and Bluey the blue said, I have a friend named Lavender. Let's go to there. So fly to Lavender, and he asked that, can you allow us three in your petals? He said, no, I won't leave I will take you on your leave, but not the other two, Reddy the red and Pinky the pink. So Bluey the blue said, no, I won't leave my friends alone in trouble. So they left, and Reddy the red said, I have a friend named Rosie the Rose. So he flew to Rosie the Rose, and he said, Rosie the Rose, can you allow us three in? So she said, no, I won't leave my friends alone. So it was then the sun was looking behind the cloud. So then he said, go back home. Let me make the butterflies. He went back home, and all the butterflies flied back home. That's the end. The moral of the story is to be strong and grateful, and you should always not leave your friends in trouble. So all of them were brave and not leaving their friends in trouble, and then that's the end.